This is for GMC Safari, the windshield wiper, transmission or linkage, they call it. What happened, it got rusted here. I use one of these mixture, one of these, you mix it. And then one of this was broken. You buy it at the auto parts store. There's the number. Comes the whole kit. Looks like this. So what I did, I put it in the visor here, like this. And then with a hammer and with this, you hit the new one, put it in there, and with a hammer you hit it really hard a few times, and it will go in. It's very, very tight. That's the only way I was able to push it in. So let's put it on the van. So it goes like this in there, and then in here. This, and then that in there. There's a bunch of screws. Take those screws off, just push it up. No big deal. I decided to weld it. I know it doesn't look that great, so hopefully this is gonna hold. The other one didn't hold, it broke off. After I installed it, for some reason, both of these were a little bit higher. It was like this one, so I have to take it out and do it like this. I don't know why. So you just push this up, don't push it down because you're gonna break it, and then you gotta zip tie it, and then you put a thick screwdriver in there, just pry it up, push it up, and it should slide out. And make sure you don't break this water tube. Unplug it. Don't forget to unplug it from underneath. You unplug the hose from there. So it's out. That's how it looks. And this broke. Whole thing broke. I think I have to lift this up when I slide, so you don't break it. So now I'm gonna have to zip tie it too. Oh well. But yeah, you go like this here. This goes here. And then this was on top, like that. And now this is broken, so I'm gonna zip tie it. Thing is back on. So yeah, in order to slide this up, you have to lift this. If not, you're gonna break it. You see over there? And then you slide it up, and then you put a screwdriver here, and then this comes out. So that's it. Thank you for watching.